Over 5,800 total square foot in this Ardsley Park estate. This property includes over 5 bedrooms. That does include the guest house. Now in the guest house itself, you have a full bedroom, full kitchen, 1.5 bathrooms, but in the backyard, in-ground pool, hot tub, green space for the kids. Welcome to 205 East 44th. This is the property that you have been dreaming for. Come take a look with me. I'm Bluemle with Seaport Real Estate. Let's go. All right guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we have producing this for you. And just remember, stuff like this, a property, an estate home on 44th does not come available every day. Don't let it slip away. Give us a call, we'll set you up a showing.